My name is Kurt Engelbrecht. I'm an associate professor at DTU Energy. That's the Department of Energy Conversion and Storage. And I'm working on the Energy Rocks project here at GreenLab Skiva. Energy Rocks is looking at decarbonizing heat processes here on the GreenLab Skiva symbiosis net. So they have a new process that needs 40 megawatts of heating. And we want to look at a way we can use electricity from windmills, for example. And when the wind's blowing, we can store that energy from the windmills. And then if there's a time when the wind's not blowing, but they still need heat, then we can use that heat stored up and provide heat to the process even when they don't have windmill production. GreenLab is kind of a sandbox for energy engineers like me. So they have a lot of waste heat, for example, that I can transform into heat that can be used in another process. They have a lot of different industry, so it really gives us a lot of possibilities to look at different processes, different ways to store heat, and different uses for that heat that we have stored. This is the rocks that we use in the Energy Rocks project, and this is a very normal, abundant rock, which is Swedish diabase, and it's the kind of rock you'll see by train tracks. And the concept is quite simple, just to heat it up to a high temperature, and we can store the heat for quite a long time, several days or even weeks. The main outcomes from Energy Rocks will be designed for a rock bed thermal energy storage for a specific 40 megawatt heating process. So we will give the size, we will also try to do some optimization for how the rocks should look, and we also want to give some recommendations for how it can be operated.